In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the evaluate formula button in Excel to scroll through complex formulas and understand what is exactly happening or how the formula is working. This is very useful if you want to understand the formula, what it is doing, but looking at it, you're not able to make out what is happening, or your formula is returning error and you cannot trace it, like why that is happening. So for that, there is a tip where you can use the evaluate formula function and go through the formula, like what it is doing. So you can find that in the formulas ribbon, and on the right hand side, you'll see a button called evaluate formula. So in this example, what we are doing is that we have set up a formula where it is comparing two set of data and calculating the value accordingly. So let's see what is happening over here. So by clicking this cell where the formula is written, I'll click the evaluate formula, and here you can see the evaluate formula window has come up. So now you can see that this, because I had selected that particular cell, it has picked up the formula that is entered in that cell. So let's see what is happening. So what you need to do, you need to click evaluate, and it will go step by step and run the formula for you, or in a way you can say it will visualize the formula for you. So if you click evaluate once, it will now apply that evaluation on the first set of the formula or the first part of the formula. That is, if A2, so A2 it has picked up A, it is showing the value of A2 is A, and it is comparing that whether it is space or not. So this operator means not equal to. So that means A2 is not equal to a space. So that becomes true. Now the cursor has moved on to the next portion of the formula. Now it will show that whether B2 is true or not. If you click evaluate again, now because B2 contain true and as per the formula it is true, so that's why it is now comparing both the values. So it is giving a true value. If you click evaluate again, so the result becomes true. So once that has run, now the cursor has moved into the next set of the formula. So because that is true, it will now pick up the value in C2, that is 50, and it will multiply that with 2. So it has picked up the value 50 and it has calculated the value as 100. Now because all the conditions had met, it will stop the formula over here and it will not move to the next set. So if you click evaluate once again, everything is coming true, and again you click it, so the resultant value will come as 100. You can again click restart and it will go back to where it started if you again want to understand the formula. So by clicking evaluate formula, you can break down the formula. I mean, you can break down complex formulas and see what is exactly happening in that. So let's close this and let's look at the second cell. So again, I click evaluate formula. Now this is picking up the formula set in that cell D3. Again, let's click evaluate, and again it has started breaking down the formula for me. So it is coming B, which is not equal to a space, so that becomes true. Now it will check if B3 is true, but it is not because B3 is containing false. So this will become false equals to true. And if you click evaluate again, so now it has skipped the true portion because our condition was not met, and it has gone into the false statement. Now again, if you click evaluate, it will calculate 40 multiplied by 5 according to the condition. And if you click evaluate again, so it has calculated the result. If you evaluate again and click again, it will give you the result. So that way you can use the evaluate formula and break down complex formulas to see what is happening exactly. This can also be used if there is any error and you're not able to see like in which portion the error is coming or which portion of the formula is not working. You can click evaluate formula, go through the formula step by step and check where exactly the formula is hitting and giving an error, and you can then correct that portion in your formula.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope after this you will be able to evaluate your formulas and break it down if need be. So thank you once again, and do subscribe our channel so that you do not miss out any new videos, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. So see you soon in the next video. Thank you.